The automotive landscape is shifting faster than a sports car on the track, and a new generation of mechanics is taking the wheel. As electric vehicles, advanced diagnostics, and autonomous technology redefine transport.
Hi guys, I'm Shala from AMP News. Today I'm here with Anaya. Me and Anaya is going to go around and interview two people, a teacher and a student, about automotive today.
Here in our automotive program, we teach the students on mostly live work, which means that these cars are all coming in. They're not cars that are provided by the school. These are customers' cars. And we teach the students to work on all aspects of automotive, including EVs and hybrids. The students will get the experience and knowledge that they need to go directly into industry. They'll already have hands-on experience with all of the aspects of automotive, AC, engine repair, transmission, electrical, etc. All of the students that come out of the program will have the ASE 609 refrigerant handling, and that will give them an edge up going into industry. It is required to work on AC systems, and then some of them are more advanced systems. They'll also get other ASE certifications.
Everything from fixing tires to doing oil changes and even like brake reassembly, all of that is what's helping me with my career choice. They give a lot of job opportunities in this class. Like I just got an opportunity to work at Nissan and Subaru last semester, so it's preparing me to go into the field. If you want to make money and make money young, I'm telling y'all gotta lock in with this program, come on.
From classrooms to crankshafts, students rev up for future careers. The sound of air ratchets and the smell of fresh motor oil have replaced the traditional quiet of the classroom at CTE.